Welcome to AI Power Lab, where we unleash the full potential of artificial intelligence for entrepreneurs and marketers. I'm Oliver, and today we're diving into an exciting topic: the top 5 AI tools to create AI avatars like this one. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you are more of a reader, you can find a link to the blog post below the video. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials and tools. AI-generated talking avatars are becoming increasingly popular in the digital world. They offer a unique and engaging way to interact with audiences, or create a faceless channel on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and the technology behind them is advancing rapidly. Today we're going to explore the top 5 AI tools that you can use to create your very own talking avatar. As a fun experiment, I'll create an AI avatar with each tool to present it.
First up, we have heygen.com. This platform uses AI to generate lifelike avatars that can speak with realistic human voices. It's incredibly user-friendly, and you can customize your avatar's appearance, voice, and even facial expressions. Pros and cons of heygen.com. Like any tool, heygen has its strengths and weaknesses. Pros: user-friendly interface makes it easy to create professional videos. Wide range of AI avatars and voices to choose from. High-quality video output, 1080p. Free 1-minute usage every day to test the tool. Cons: the platform is still relatively new, so there might be some bugs and features that need improvement. Overall, heygen.com is a promising tool for anyone looking to create high-quality, AI-generated talking avatar videos. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or content creator, heygen offers a quick and easy way to create engaging videos that can captivate your audience.
Next, we have Synthesia. This tool allows you to create professional-quality videos featuring AI-generated avatars. You can write a script, choose an avatar, and Synthesia will do the rest, generating a video where the avatar delivers your script. Pros and cons of Synthesia.io. Pros: wide range of AI avatars and language support. Ability to create custom AI avatars. Intuitive text-to-speech feature. Offers micro gestures for added realism. Cons: no real free trial. You can create one free video, but can choose only 5 different avatars with 50 words max. The cost: $30 per month for 10 minutes of video. May be a barrier for some users, especially small businesses or individuals. Overall, Synthesia is a powerful tool for creating AI-generated videos. Its wide range of features and intuitive interface make it a top choice for businesses and individuals looking to create professional videos quickly and efficiently.
Our third tool is DID. DID is an innovative platform that leverages the power of AI to create highly realistic talking avatars. The platform offers a suite of generative AI tools under its Creative Reality trademark studio, allowing users to produce stunning videos featuring talking avatars. Pros and cons of DID. Pros: ease of use. DID is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to create talking avatars. Versatility. The platform offers a wide range of tools for face and speech generation, allowing users to create highly personalized avatars. Quality. DID uses advanced AI technologies to create highly realistic talking avatars. Cons. Cost. While DID offers a free trial, continued use of the platform and access to all its features require a paid subscription. Learning curve. While DID is designed to be user-friendly, new users may need some time to familiarize themselves with all the features and capabilities of the platform. Overall, DID is a powerful tool for anyone looking to create high-quality, personalized talking avatars. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone looking to experiment with AI, DID offers a unique and engaging way to bring your ideas to life.
Next on our list is Artflow. This platform uses AI to help you create videos right in your browser. You can generate unique worlds, characters, and scenes by simply typing in what you want to see. Pros and cons of Artflow.ai. Artflow.ai is a powerful tool for content creators. but like any tool, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Pros: easy to use with a simple, intuitive interface, allows for a high degree of customization in creating videos. AI technology generates high-quality, visually appealing videos. Cons: as of now, it seems to be more focused on storytelling and game creation, so it might not be the best fit for all types of talking avatar creation. The website does not provide detailed information about pricing, which could be a barrier for some users. Right now, you can use 30 free credits when you register and get 50 more if you get accepted in their Pioneer program.
Last but not least, we have DeepBrain. This tool uses AI to generate 3D avatars that can talk, move, and even express emotions. It's a great tool for creating engaging and interactive content. Pros and cons of DeepBrain: like any tool, DeepBrain has its strengths and weaknesses. Pros: user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate for beginners. High degree of customization in creating videos. AI technology generates high-quality, visually appealing videos. Cons: the website does not provide detailed information about pricing.
And there you have it, the top 5 AI tools for creating talking avatars. Each of these tools offers unique features and capabilities, so I encourage you to try them out and see which one works best for you. Remember, the world of AI is constantly evolving, and these tools are just the tip of the iceberg, so stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to AI Power Lab for more AI tutorials and tools. See you in the next video.